Today is the day. We are returning the 4Runner. We have to take it through the car wash because it's really like icy and muddy here, and so, but we are getting our Tundra back. We loaded the truck one more time, and she is right there in the back. Up. The last time you're riding the 4Runner, we're getting Mia our truck back. Yay! Driving the 4Runner one last time down the snowy mountain pass. The 2023 with all leather seats and everything. I mean, it just doesn't fit what I need. And there's my truck, Mia. He's all good. I'm gonna cry now. We got Mia back.